Hi, today for the Cat S53 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So open first the Play Store application because we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why in the search we'll enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, tap to open the app, click to yes, I agree, pick close, OK, and now we can see here information about battery temperature. In my case, that's 27 and 6 degrees. So also we get more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.